Okay. So last lecture we have discussed physical design of IoT. Now we are going to focus on the next part called as well logical design of IoT. So what actually the logical design of IoT means? It is nothing but just an abstract representation of entities and processes without going into the low level specification of the implementation. So an IoT system consists of number of functional blocks that provide the system the capability for identification, sensing, actuating, communication and management. So these are the things that we need to take into considerations while we are discussing about the logical design of IoT. The first is it's a communication, second is it's a functional blocks which helps us to provide capabilities for identification, sensing, actuating, communication and management. So simply we can represent it in the format like this is the one common simple diagram to remember. So it has a different things like devices, communication, services, security, management and application. So what else the device part covers? So if it is the logical design perspective, so devices, it is nothing but it comprises devices that providing sensing, monitoring, controlling and actuating functions. Second part is what? Second level we can say as a communication. So this communication, it is responsible for IoT systems which enables the communication among the devices connected to each others. Services, as the name suggests, such as device discovery, device monitoring, device control, data publishing services are used by IoT systems. So the main service is to search for the other device, observe the device, control the device, whoever there in the network. So this the servicing, helping each others rather than in simplest format we can say. Next part is what? Management part. The whole things will be monitored and controlled by the management activities. So this block provides various functions to govern the IoT system. Security, this block secures IoT system by providing functions such as authentication, authorization, message content, its integrity and data security. So these are the some common functional blocks which helps us to decide the logical design of IoT system. Now applications, it provides interface that user can use to control and monitor various aspects of IoT system. Allow user to view the system status, allow user to view or analyze the processed data. So these are the some common blocks that we can take into the considerations while we are talking about logical design of IoT. So if I take simple example to understand the logical design of IoT is what my mobile device. So my mobile device can able to connect with other devices, suppose for the Wi-Fi purpose. So devices, communication, how data will be exchanged between the connected devices. Services, what else the services your device or your system able to provide, like whether I am able to search for the new device, like when I start my Bluetooth, it automatically starts the discovery for the new devices available in the range, available in the communication path. Then device monitoring, observe the devices, whether I am able to control other devices or not, give and take the information, that kind of a scenarios, exchange of information, that is what the communication. Management block, as the name suggests, will be responsible to manage entire IoT system. So this block provides the various functions to govern the IoT systems. Security, this blocks secures IoT system by providing functions such as authentication, authorization, privileges, kind of things like message and content integrity, data security. So security palms, who else able to access your system, who else will get an usage of your system, this all part will be decided by the security concerns. And the next part is what the applications, what else the user able to see into your systems. So allow user to view the system status, what is going on, or maybe allowing you to work with your systems by exchange of information. So this is what the common idea about the logical design of IoT. In next lecture we will discuss about IoT communication models.